All right, let's do our weekly overview of the week of September. What is it at? This is the weekly review for September 28th through October 2nd. Here's our folder here. This is what we have for the week. So our material doesn't change, but our objective does. So we're dealing with percent of change this week. So we want to understand that percent of change can be an increase or a decrease. And the ratio and the change of value or quantity of an item is the original value or quantity of the item expressed as a percentage. Okay. So on Monday, what we want to do is we want to watch the video and take notes. These are not notes that I will be handing out, but there is a template that you will have to copy to the right side of your notebook, which is page 22. All right. Then we'll have questions on page 21. Make sure you put that in your table of content. Take a picture and submit that to me. Then you'll have 3 assignments due Tuesday, Thursday, and Friday. These are all from a textbook. So you have problems 1 through 11. On that day, you need to skip problem number 5 because I want to do that with you. Okay. On Thursday, you have problem 14 through 21, and Friday you have problems 24 through 38. See how important it says show work. So I want you to show work. So if you do make a mistake, I can correct you. Okay. If you don't show your work, I have no idea where you're going wrong at. Uh, Make sure you take a picture of all of them and submit them. Okay. So we have 4 assignments this week. One is notes, and then the other 3 are problems. And I gave you a few extra problems this week because I know we're going to need to practice on it. Have any questions, let me know.